From the moment we're born, we're spinning with the Earth, rotating at a speed of over 1,000 miles per hour. It's an incredible feat, and yet it's something we hardly ever give a second thought to. But have you ever stopped to think about why we don't really notice this incredible speed? It's a fundamental aspect of our daily lives, and yet it's almost as if it's invisible to us. When we are driving down the road, there are three main factors that give us a sensation of motion. The first is the fact that roads are not perfectly smooth, and consequently we feel these bumps giving us a sensation of motion. The second is the fact that the car itself has its own vibrations, adding to the sensation of motion. The final one is the fact that we can see the outside world moving past our car, although that is what appears to be moving, it gives us a sense of motion. With the Earth, we are not only moving along with it, but the main force keeping us with it is gravity, the movement of the sun. Moon, planets, and stars that we see in the sky is too slow to give us a sense of motion. The Earth's rotation is smooth enough that there is nothing to feel. Consequently, there is nothing with the Earth's rotation to give us a sense of motion. Newton's laws of motion, along with special and general relativity, indicate that we should not feel motion except in the presence of changing forces. As a result of this, we should not expect to have any sense of motion from the Earth's rotation. It is only because the force is acting on a car that give us any sense of motion within a car. If you had a car that could hover above the ground, you probably would have no real sense of motion in it. The key to understanding this is the fact that we feel sudden changes in motion, but not motion itself. The other thing that needs to be understood is that gravity is not a sudden change in motion, therefore we do not feel it in freefall. Consequently, we do not feel either gravity pulling us around with the Earth, or the actual motion of the Earth's rotation as we move with it. In conclusion, the main reason that we do not feel the Earth's rotation is because we feel sudden changes in motion, not motion itself. Even a steady change in motion is not really felt as motion except as change in weight. This is the way the laws of physics as well as what we feel work. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.